Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, hello! How are you? Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! You may be wondering, Santa, why are you not on your sleigh? Where's the North Pole? What's all this water doing? Well, let me tell you, I always like to take a short vacation right before the big day and head down to Lake Coeur d'Alene to take one of their great Lake Coeur d'Alene lake cruises. You can join me this year if you'd like. We're going to be sailing towards the North Pole. If you want to come with me, just dash on over to cdacruises.com to get your tickets now. On board, you'll be able to see 1.5 million lights, even the Grinch and a fire-breathing dragon. So again, head on over to cdacruises.com, then dash away, dash away, dash away,